Kasee miento so na yenko ensem na mu bie mampani adodanko Akufo-Addo nsonsemu na ne kasa mu na ose ene busia ya IMF mpanifo de amaye no nkyere se omayi mu haw kodana sikasama tetia numni ade no ebe free hokra na mom aba a eba beboa kwan bi so eno so nsem a ode tudwa eni Ghana mampanyi na Adanko Akufo-Addo enene manfo ekasa ene odi tudwa se ewumu se IMF sika yi Ghana ban akwakwaje yi ebeboa amoman atimi atoto ne sikasem yi na nso enye ne animu yi a ene nsunsanso pa no ebeba senti manfo enka wakoma ento wanyem twemu se saranhyehe yi ya wo mo ebeboa pa amomanfo enya Ghana sikasem mu arehemu biem isanse COVID-19 yade ene Ukraine Russia ntokwanso amoman sikasem agiegu.
So we have all heard by now. The details of the program have been explained by officials of the fund and by our Minister for Finance and the Governor of the Bank of Ghana. The first tranche of $600 million United States dollars has been credited to our national account out of the $3 billion United States dollars that we have negotiated to receive within a period of 36 months. Fellow Ghanaians, access to the IMF facility will not spell the immediate end of the difficulties we are in presently. But the fact that we've been able to negotiate such a deal sends a positive message to our trading partners, creditors, and investors. A positive message that will be underpinned by the discipline, hard work, and enterprise with which we execute the program. It should lead to the restoration of confidence and the reopening of avenues that have been closed to us this past year and a half.